Hey guys, I'm Naveen and I've been wanting to purchase a small little telescope for my personal use for a very long time. And recently I got my hands on the Cezo Monocular telescope. Let's talk a little more about it. Inside the box, you'll find a binocular telescope, tripod, phone clip, and user documentation. This amazing magnification device delivers 14 to 60 optical magnification. It thus gets you 40 times as close to the object. It offers a super clear and high-powered view of distant objects. In addition, the multi-coated optics guarantee a light transmission and brightness. It has an anti-slip adapter that can hold the phone precisely. The stand is sturdy enough that the tripod resists shaking and allows for hands-free viewing. It comes in a compact size and it can easily fit in your pockets. I mean, how cool is that? The Cezo Monocular Telescope offers a greatly magnified view of nature and space and is great for everyday use as well. So don't forget to check it out.